Hey y'all, look what I got today in the mail. Yep. And I'm about to open it with my box cutter. Shit. I already know what's in here, so yeah. I just got it like, it's 11 right now. No, it's 10:50, somewhere like that. Yeah. So I got about like, I'd say about like 45 minutes ago. Yep. Good God. Set this right here. I'm going to have to do this quick since my battery's almost dead, as usual. Okay. Here's the manual for quick setup. Yeah, y'all can see what's there. Set this to the side. Yep, my Hoover self-propelled wind tunnel Supreme. It's got the dirt finder, and I have to assemble it. So once I get it assembled, I'll get back to y'all.